Hello, I'm Ryan Carpenter, and this is a Super 60 Seconds. We're looking forward to getting back to learning today after what I hope was a restful 3-day weekend for you and your family. In recognition of Veterans Day, I'd like to thank our staff, alumni, and families that serve or have served in our military. Today, I'm happy to share that during our recent November school board meeting, our executive school board of directors voted to move forward with plans to begin installing HVAC and climate control into our classrooms. This plan will initially install mini split HVAC units that will serve 33 of our hottest classrooms. The project will be funded by ESSER emergency relief funds as well as Senate Bill 1149 funds that we applied for and received due to the energy savings from our new energy efficient stadium lights. We know that our classrooms that get too hot in the summer and cold in the winters have been a learning disruption and a concern for many of our students and families, and our leaders and school board are prioritizing this project. We piloted this system in 3 classrooms over the summer last year, and it went very well. Our district is pleased that we have been able to be innovative and resourceful to fund this project in approximately 1/3 of our classrooms during phase 1. Our hope is that over time, we will be able to receive or save more funds in order to install proper temperature regulation in our entire buildings. Hey, and before I sign off today, I'd like to remind you that conferences are coming up next Monday and Tuesday, and there's no school next week. Our teachers look forward to meeting with you to give you feedback on how well your child is learning. Thanks again for watching this week's Super 60 Seconds.